friends, good morning. This is day 3. No like concrete plans, but we're here in Gwangjang Market, just one stop from where we stay right now. Titingin kami kung ano meron dito. Let's go! So, just a right turn from where we started. Nandito na yung ating pinunta. Titingin tayo kasi sabi may mga discounted daw dito na Kodak na clothes. Ay, uso yan ngayon. Hehehe. Puntahan natin. Ay, siya si This Love Can Be Translated. Oh. Good morning! So, tingin tayo ng mga
160.
may Pilipino. Si early birds tayo. Ready sila sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Can you show me? Yung nabili nila a year ago. Pero 50 off talaga. Nag-sale siya. Oh, diba? Siguro pag mga medyo luma na yung medyo luma a year ago. Sinisale na. Oh, clearance. Oh, siniyo, koreano.
Maganda pero wala sa lugar.
Wala sa lugar. Saan ka puntang lugar para mapunta sa lugar? Iceland. Diyos. Hindi ko alam presyo. Basta 50 off. Eh, parang yan ang sakto. Tingin nga, harap ka dito. Manipis din yun. Bag is around 3K plus. Oh, nice. Yay! Woo! Oh, fish. Meron siya para malaking farmer's market na naka thermals ka, ganon. Na hindi basa yung sahig. Amazing. Andito na tayo sa kainan. I don't know what that is, but it's actually oh, mga menudo, mga ulam niya, pananghalian. The line is long. So, we're gonna line up also. Pero nakikita na ni Angel to sa TikTok. Like, I think that's what it's called. Not sure though. There. Ilho. It's just a coffee shop inside the market. Parang ano? Alak. How's yours? Lasa? Sarap. 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 This is coffee. This tastes like bulaklak. This is iced. This is hot. Try nyo din naman. Yung may experience. Pero ang sarap ng kape nila. Right. Right. This is, it's a donut. But this is, sa photo kasi kala ko coffee bun siya. Liit pala niya. And it looks like a pretzel, pero it's a donut now. It's 1,000 each. Apat yung variants, ayun yung menu. Tapos dyan lang siya sa entrance ng Gwangjang. Try it. It's fluffy. It's sugary. Lambot, di ba?
Parang yung tinapay sa palengke.
Ay, ganun ba?
Yung donut ng mura.
Fluffy siya. Lambot. Masugar. Tapos palengke.
Bunga na. Plain na may sugar lang. Asukal lang.
Meron nga doon ang ganda yung itlog. Maraming green kasi nalagyan yung tinapay. Parang sarap.
I don't know what this is, pero akala ko kobe holding.
Sarap nito. Ang pila nito, order ka muna. Tapos, masap ka na. Order ka muna sa may gilid, sa harap. Tapos pipila ka sa gilid to pick up. Parang gano'n din sa salt bread. So, pumipila kami sa pick up, pero wala naman pala kami in order.
안전하게 승차하시기 바랍니다.
It's day 3. taray ng pulang skin yarn. That's just dalba. 안녕하세요. kaldalmenda입니다. Alam mo, taga dito na yun. Palit lang yung kasama kong artista. 2 times a day yan nagpapalit ng OOTD. At tayo, same pa din. Wala na tayong haul-haul, pero nasa 3K plus lang to. Gagamitin na natin today. And also your pants, wala na din haul-haul, wala nang laba-laba. This is size what? Medium. And it's 800 pesos lang dun sa Kodak na pinunta natin sa Gwangjang Market. Gamitin na natin, syempre. Sayang naman. Para sulit. Gamit agad. Yes. Gamitin ang backpack imnida. After the stop ng train, randomly may ganyan no, narinig namin yung Blackpink. Tapos parang sabi niya, welcome fandom. Pre-admission siya, pasok ka lang, ganyan. Oh, tapos exhibition, I guess. Galing. It's just a space. Tapos pasok ka lang, cute. Tapos 2018 pa yung video. Ito na yung Blink. May BTS corner din. Yo, what's up, ARMY? Yung mga madaming what's that? Light stick. iGen, yeah. Mabilan natin siya sa 7-Eleven. Galing. Hey, yung G-Dragon na, no? Light stick. Ganda. Taray, may paganto. Ay, wow. I don't know this group, but ang bongga ng ilaw. Ang dami. Kakatuwa. Hey! Something that looks very familiar. Galing. Napapaindak ako. Naka-skinny jeans pa eh. Hanamdong neighborhood. Kaliwa. Ayan, dyan sa pababa. Medyo makapal na yung windburn namin. Yes. All the way up. Kasi ang level ng street ay itong building na to. And we are all the way down here. This is Jin, RM, and Jimin. So if you buy this, you're wearing something from 3 of them. Okay, let's buy. This looks like Jesus. Jisoo ha? I mean Jisoo, not Jesus. This is the right size. Nakapal na. I don't have like...
One by one, I guess. I mean, like... That's fine. It's fine. Just walk straight ahead. Yes.
Hi friends, welcome to Itaewon. This is the store this is the store na may silverware na binili si BTS. Mahal nila. May mga makakapal na silver na bracelet. So mga around 7, siguro 8 inches. Nasa 16K. Pero syempre bibili pa rin tayo. Yan. The store is Hana 543. This is what Itaewon looks like. Quiet pa siya. Kaya pa yung neighborhood kasi. Oh, lunch na pala. Or maybe because it's a Monday. Steep yung mga lakaran. So, hilly siya. Yun lang. Store. Lahat ng store dito actually aesthetic. Grabe yung windburn ko. Sakit na niya. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, maglagay ka na sobrang daming moisturizer. Tapos, sobrang daming lip gloss. Siguro, wala ako nun. Meron lang ako lipstick. So, hindi siya nakakatulong. Lip balm. I mean, lip balm. Meron lang ako lipstick, pero hindi siya nakakatulong. Yan. So, it's almost 2. Hanap tayo na makakainan. Ooh. So high up. Look. Bago. 15, 16, 17. So you just get and then pay? Self-service. She'll be a princess someday now. Caution, string may break with pulling hard. Please pull down soft. Oh, my soft is okay. Ang ganda dito, nakakatuwa. Parang it's a fake place. This is the restaurant with a huge broom. Sabi niya, be gentle daw when you pull. So my gentle did not work. It had to be strong for me, for it to open. Tapos madilim siya pagpasok mo. And then, you wait to be seated. Tapos, this is the place. Exciting! Thanks TikTok for showing us this restaurant. We just made our itinerary a while ago. Kitchen closes 3 p.m. so you have to order before 3. Pero hindi mo naman kailangan lumabas. Just order before 3.
And this one, Pilbang. The signature platter.
Yeah.
And then one.
Black.
What's? That's it?
That's it.
Coke regular. Coke regular.
Yeah. All they got cook. Once it gets plate, once it gets break. Okay.
What did you order?
I don't know. Black something.
Is that liquor?
Cocktail.
Oh. Black.
Pwede ka na mag-paint. Paint.
Oh. Sabi niya, individually wrapped daw yan. So, hindi daw gagamitin. Ibalik daw sa plastic. So, we got a lot of things. Silver lang siya, pero ang mahal niya. That's a bracelet. Jimmy yun. Ito, necklace. That's, I think, J-Hope's. This is a ring. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung kita. That is Jimin's also. This is a pretty bracelet, ha? V. Ganda. So I want to try this bracelet. Okay. So dahil mahaba siya, sabi ko gusto ko sanang gawing necklace. Sabi niya pwede naman daw. Eh masyadong komplikado kasi may additional pa. Sabi ko wag na nga, gawin na lang bracelet. Pero dalawang ulit mo siyang ilalagay. Oh, there's the chicken.
Cheese burrata, three sauce, garlic soy sauce, red spice sauce, honey sauce, chicken sand, fried chicken. This is
Got it. Okay.
soy sauce, this brush.
Okay. Soy sauce. Okay.
Okay. And dressing.
Oh, okay.
Then man.
Kinuha mo yung ginawa niya. Ano daw? Just plain garlic.
Yun ano.
Matamis eh.
Peach. Parang kami nililito. Kaya lang parang hindi mo na siya dapat kasi nalagyan ng garlic. Brown. Uy, good.
We are in Hangang Park.
River cruise.
River Cruise. And we have cherry blossoms. Pero mga buds pa lang. Ayan o. I bet it's better in spring. Pero carry lang. Madami pa yun.
Oo, kabo.
Saan? Nasa Baguio kami. Baguio na makapalang jacket.
Bago na may windbird. So yeah, I haven't been here. Have you been here? No. Nice. Sarap dito. 3 years na ako dito sa Korea. Hey! Mother, look! We have cherry blossoms. Wala na po kaming cash. So we use GCash. Bagong dinner lang kami niyan. Hindi pa na naubos yung dinner naming chicken. 12 pieces. Ito siya. Ito yung presyo. Gagamitin yung QR yun nasa kanan. GCash through Alipay. So, ayan nyo, oh. Pumasok yung GCash, eh. Flying fish. Taray, flying fish. Uy, wala na yung spam, oh. Nubos mo? Oh, there's spam.
Ano kaya ito yung uwi ng...
Kailangan mo siya ubusin. Hindi mo siya mauwi. Paano ka magti-train? Good morning. Last full day in Seoul. We go home later tonight. Ang struggle kanina sa pag-empake ay very real. We are walking from hotel. Now we are in DDP. Hanap tayo ng mga mapupuntahan kasi wala na tayong mapuntahan. Where are we going today? We don't know. Coffee. Okay. See you later. So, ko lang palang sabihin na sulit yung jacket ko. Kasi wala na akong heat tech sa loob. Long sleeves na lang tsaka siya. It's malamig today. Oh, ayun na yung ano namin. Windburn. Lalo sa may Hangang Park kahapon sa river. Ginoo! Yan. Sulit. So, lagi ko na ito susuot. I don't know who this is. Pero may mga, ayan o, mga pulis-pulis. Kaya madaming nag-traffic na. Pero, mga nag-traffic na mga pulis sa intersection. Okay, saya dito. Balik tayo ng balik, ganyan. Saya dito, saya maglakad. Tapos hindi nakaka-haggard. Lamig eh, hindi nakaka-oily. Ganda niya. Hindi siya complicated. Tapos, chill lang siya. Saya. Yun lang talagang pagpack ng maleta yung ma-effort. But like generally, the entire trip has been fun. We went to places we've been before. Pero yung mga ginawa namin mas mahirap kasi wala si mommy. So we can walk longer. We can bring heavier stuff. Saya. Pero wala na kami mapuntahan sa Seoul. So maybe next time we go somewhere else in Korea.
Try to avoid it almost.
Hindi na aesthetic yung pagkain namin. Yung nasa ibabaw. Yung nasa ibabaw na itong parang cafe onion signature na bread ay puro confectionery sugar. So, hindi ka maubusan ng sugar. Sarap yung coffee nila pag tumamis yung palate. Tatamis talaga siya. Well, hindi like level na nakakaumay. Pero tatamis siya kasi daming ng sugar na kasama. How's your spicy, what is this? Footlong. Spicy footlong. Ang lasa lang. Ang saya. Kahit hindi tinapay. Pero okay yung like how the bread is made. Ayun. Oh no, may windburn na kasi siya. Nagdudugo na. O, diba? Na-appreciate ko yung bread. Kasi ito crunchy, no? Ano? Chocolate. Sarap siya. Kasi hindi matamis, pero matamis. Hindi maginaw, pero medyo maginaw. It's a great experience. Usually, masarap yung mga ginapay nila. So far, sa mga cafe na napuntahan natin, yung ginapay nila. Doon lang talaga magkakatalo sa coffee, but
The experience is nice. Got a seat at the second floor. Pagdating namin, wala pang tao. Pero nakapila na ako dati. Ah! Okay, may diabetes na yung mga maya dito. Open. What's up, Petras? Thank you for making our home smell nice. Yan, yung buong bahay namin yan ng amoy. Iba-iba nga lang. First floor, second floor, third floor, iba-ibang amoy. What do you do with your adult money? You buy things you don't really use the purpose for. This is supposed to be for hiking, for extraneous activities, but you use it for Molly. What? Huh? Pagod ka na? Gastos na naman siya. So we have to get 20,000 purchase to get that. Yung itsura ng mga celebrity pag pupunta na ng ibang bansa galing Incheon. Pero hindi nagbubuhat ng sarili paleta. Bye, Korea. See you soon. Swim. Airport na lang nga eh. Oh.